Cordial saludo, soy el aprendiz Eric Alejandro Herrera Carrillo y a continuación se dará explicación a la guía de actividades evidencia 5 Oral Description Coordinating Trucking Cargo Ship. It is a form of maritime and river transport that allows transporting different types of goods, raw materials and elements from one country to another. Also have the capacity and the right size to move from one port to another across the oceans and seas of different continents. Their materials allow them to carry everything necessary for shipping. This is how the way is opened in international trade through the different maritime routes as did the colonizer in previous centuries. This is how man's need to explore new worlds and the desire to trade. The development of science and infrastructure, such as industrial development and machinery, allowed men to advance through this construction, allowing him to take his element from one country to another and progress in technology. In this order of ideas is how the cargo ship arose, which allowed the economic growth of many countries. In its respective structural organization allow the adaptation of the transport of containers that inside can hold a number of elements, equipment, tools, and different work and production materials. This is how we can carry out the transportation or select products such as the company coffee from the field to the table, which we should like B. This means of transportation sit in complies with the technical condition of maritime transportation and is ideal for the car of our product, thus being a little more favorable for the economy of the company. Heavy departure from the port Buenaventura since the company is located in Sevilla Valle, Colombia. The dye of coffee that we will export to the destination country, which is Holanda, will be transported in different containers with the conditions required by the different sanitary normal demands by the country, which will take approximately between 11 and 26 days to arrive with budget valued between 850 and 3,500 euros. That is why the means of transport via ship is chosen, since the economy will help the company. With it, we can meet the needs of the customer and the final consumer.